Hello students, welcome to TechWorks. In this video, we are going to learn the remaining questions under the part B for the sample question paper 2023-24. So I have provided the link under the description box below for the previous questions for part A and the part B until 21st question. Okay, let us move on to the video quickly. So coming on to the 22nd question. So they have asked you to predict the output for the following code. So they have given S is equal to lost. So whenever they are giving the string or list or anything, you should index it first. So let us index 0, 1, 2 and 3, and list has been initialized. So let us index that also 0, 1, 2, 3, and they have initialized dictionary with an empty dictionary. And then the next statement is for I in range len of s. So what is len of s? So you should count the total number of characters in the s. So you are having 4 characters, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the len of s is 4. So it will be working like the range of 4. So range of 4. So it takes the value of 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, it takes the iteration 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? So the next thing is we are moving under the for loop now. If I mod 2 double equals to 0, so this is your first condition. Now what are the I value? So I is 0 now. So 0 mod 2 double equals to 0. It is checking that. So whenever the first element is lesser than the second element, then it is the answer is your first element only in the modulus. So which is your remainder. Okay, so 0 mod 2 which gives you output as a remainder. So the condition is true here. If the condition is true, what is the next statement which is given here? D of L dot pop is equal to S of I. So it is working on L here. So L is given here is a list 10, 21, 33 and 4. Okay, so it is using the pop function, which is your stack function. So the pop function will be popping the last element first. So in the list we are having the last element as 4, so it is popping out the 4. So what you should write? D of 4. D of 4 is equal to S of I. What is S of I? So I is 0 here, so I am writing S of 0. So what is 0? S of 0 is L here, okay, which is your L. So D of 4 is equal to L. Okay, now it has been updated in the dictionary. So finally the dictionary will be like this. So how the dictionary is getting updated? So the now updated dictionary is with the first element 4 as a key and the value is L as the string. Okay, moving on to the second iteration. Second iteration is 1. Okay, now it is checking for 1 mod 2 double equals to 0. No, it is false. So what is the answer? 1 is your answer. So the condition is false. So if the condition is false, it is moving on to the else part. And here it is given as D of L dot pop is equal to I plus 3. So it is popping the next element in the list. So it has been popped out 4. So the next top element in the list is 33. So it is popping out 33 is equal to I plus 3. I is 1 here. So 1 plus 3 which is 4. So it is updating here with the dictionary value 33 as the key and 4 as the value. Okay, the next iteration is I is equal to 2. So now it is checking for 2 mod 2 double equals to 0. Yes, it is true, right? 2 mod 2 is double equals to 0. It is true. Then it is popping the next element from the list. So the next top element is 21. So D of 21 is equal to S of I. So which is S of 2. S of 2 is yes here. So S of 2 is yes. So S of yes. So now updating the dictionary, the element with 21 is to yes. The next final iteration is 3. When I is equal to 3, 3 mod 2 double equals to 0. So the condition is false here. So when the condition is false, it is moving on to the else part. So now what will happen? D of popping out the next element, remaining element 10 is equal to I plus 3. What is I here? I is 3 here. So 3 plus 3, which is 6. So now it is updating with 10 is to 6 in the dictionary. I hope you all understand the steps. Okay, this is the dictionary values. 4 is to L, 33 is to 4, 21 is to L, yes, and 10 is to 6. Then it is coming out of the for loop and it is entering the next for loop. For k comma v in d dot items, it should print k comma v, and which is separated by this star as a separator. So how this k comma v is printed? The k is nothing but 4 and v is nothing but a value, key and values, keys and values. Okay, it is printing this k comma v by using the separator star. So what is the first one? It is printing in the tuple values 4 star L and then 33 star 4. The next iteration is 21 star yes, and then next is 10 star 6. So it is printing like this, line by line. So let us check the marking scheme here. So the first one is 4 star L. 4 star L, yes, right. And the next one is 33 star 4. 33 star 4, yes, right. And the next one is 21 star yes. Yes, it is right. 21 star yes. And then 10 star 6. What is the next one? 10 star 6. So this is your output. So half mark for each correct line output they will be providing you. Let us move on to the next question quickly. 23rd question. Write the Python statement for each of the following tasks using built-in functions method only. So the first question is to insert an element 200 at the third position in the list L1. So they have given the name of the list as L1. So let us consider L1 contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So let us index this list now. 0, 1, 2 and 3. But they are asking you to insert the element 200 on the third position. Which is your third position? This is your first position and this is your second position and this is your third position. So the third position is having the index as what? 2. So you should insert like by using the name of the dictionary list is given. So L1 dot insert. You should use the insert function, and this insert function is having the two parameters. Okay, so the first parameter is the index. So on which index it should get inserted. So the index for the third position is 2. So I'm writing 2 here, 2 comma, and the second parameter is the value what you're going to insert. So the given value here it is 200. So your output, your statement is L1 dot insert 2 comma 200. Okay, for the first one. And second question, to check whether the string named message ends with a full stop period or not. Suppose if your message is having as text box and it is ending with a dot. Okay, now we are going to check whether this message is ending with dot or not. For that you should write message dot ends with. Okay, you see here ends with, this is your function name, ends with, and you should keep the symbol there, dot. So it will return what? It will return either true or false. So now in this message the text box has been, this message has been ends with dot, so it is returning as true, otherwise it will be returning false. Okay, see here the first one to insert the element 200 on the second position. For that, you should write the name of the list and you should use the insert function with the 2 parameters. And the second question is message dot ends with the mark. Okay. Let us move on to the next question. A list named student age stores the age of the students of a class. Write the Python command to import the record module and using built-in function to display the most common age value from the given list. So whenever we are working on the list, if you are getting same marks, if the student of the class is having more than 1 marks is getting repeated, so it is called as a common value. So this common value is retrieved by using the mode function. So this mode function is under the statistics module. Okay, for that you should import the statistics. So what you should import the record module. So you should import statistics module. After that, you should write the statistic module. With the help of statistics module, and you can work on the mode function. Okay, and you can write the student age. So if you are giving the print message, then you can write the print message here. Then only it will display. Okay, and it will display the common age value. Okay, suppose for example, if a student age is having 20, 20, 30, 10, 20. So it will be repeating the 20 only. So the 20 is the commonly repeating value. So it will give you 20. So the mode of if student's age is 20 here. So it will count the first occurrence only. Okay, it will count the first occurrence which is repeating again and again. Okay. Let us see the marking scheme for this. See, import statistics module. After importing, you should write statistics.mode of student age to display the name to display the student's age. So it should use the print function.